Today, a Honda Accord arrived at our workshop with complaints about unstable engine performance. Based on the driver's description, the mechanics quickly identified the issue. The problem was in the fuel pump. To access it, they had to remove the rear seat and open the service cover. The mechanic carefully disconnected the fuel line and pulled out the pump, then handed it over to his assistant for disassembly. Upon inspection, it became clear the fuel filter was completely clogged and no fuel could pass through. Since there was no replacement filter available, the mechanic decided to use an alternative method. He tapped the pump to loosen the dirt and then rinsed it with clean fuel. Next came the unusual but effective trick, blowing through the pump by mouth to push out the dirty fuel and debris. This process was repeated several times until clean fuel finally flowed through. Although the method may look questionable, the results spoke for themselves. The pump was cleaned and ready for reassembly. After carefully putting everything back together and reinstalling the pump into the fuel tank, the engine started right away and ran smoothly. The problem was solved, and the customer drove away happy. Subscribe to our channel for more fascinating and surprising car repair videos from Africa, especially Nigeria.